The gentleman that I bought the 40 Dodge from last week, turns out that he had one more car to clean out of his yard. So being somebody with no self-control, here we are. We present to you the 1951 Pontiac. What do you think, Fingers? Look at that. Isn't that cool? Tell you what, we're going to give Len a hand getting the car off, and then we'll have a close look at it once it's unloaded here.
It just makes it hard when you're backing up.
Yeah, but then they'd have a nice taper at the bottom by the time you got. I'll just put this away for now. This car was right beside the other one, or what?
Yeah.
Family thing, or what?
My dad bought this used.
Yeah.
I don't know, it must have been, we didn't drive it long.
Yeah.
And I forget
What happened?
what went wrong, whether it was brakes or it was still running,
Right.
but it needed some fixing and he never bothered.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if it was brakes or transmission.
Yeah.
It's a standard.
Okay, good.
Here's that original paint back from the 60s, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, he showed me that. Yeah.
The yellow one.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Brakes are gonna be stiff. Okay, here it comes. There, perfect.
Yeah, just by putting air in it, it's going.
There we go. Yeah, oh yeah.
I think she's caught on the exhaust again. Yeah, that other player was flat.
There. So Dean, what did we learn about this Pontiac?
That's like a. Geez, what would that be? A 52 Pontiac, Canadian car, base model with skirts. Well, you know what, man? I can't even.
We gotta look at what model this is.
I don't even know.
I think it's
Chieftain?
Chieftain.
My God, it's cool, eh?
Yeah, what do you think, eh?
Oh, I love it so much, man.
It's the first Pontiac we've had at the old junkyard.
Hey, man, this is like a first for you, eh?
Yeah, I don't think I've had a Pontiac before.
Miles is really striking a chord with you.
Well, I can't let Miles have the only base model Pontiac.
No, you can't.
So I had to This
You
one's
stepped it
8
up,
years
yeah.
older than his. It's hard to believe this is only 8 years older than his because it looks like 1,000 years older.
Yeah.
Like this car looks old, and his car still looks. It looks strato modern.
Yeah, he's modern. Yeah, you've got a bit of an old.
It's too bad that the good side of the car is so carefully hidden.
God, it's
But
nice.
this side of the car is pretty good.
Yeah.
Look at that. 1968 plate still.
Yeah, and the license plate lights on there.
So these are Chev taillights, are they not? Because the Pontiac had little round ones.
Aren't those the Chevys?
Yeah, this is basically like with Miles's car. This is basically a Chev car with Pontiac parts on it.
Miles is a Pontiac tail, though.
Yeah, his is a Pontiac body on Chev frame with Chev
Right,
drivetrain. This is Pontiac front clip and Pontiac dash and Pontiac engine with a Chev body, Chev doors, quarters,
Oh yeah, I don't.
and then Pontiac front end here. But it has a flathead 6-cylinder. We'll have to look up some of this stuff. I don't know anything about these. What are you trying to do?
I wanted to get in and go for a ride. Oh hey, look at the seat cover, man. Cool.
It's got an old accessory seat cover on
Oh,
it.
there's your General Motors.
Huh? Your General Motors what?
Oh, General Motors.
Oh, Jenner. Yeah, I saw that.
Like Caitlyn Jenner. That's so sweet.
So what do we see here? Well, we've got full gauges. Nice. You got it. Yeah, it's not the Shroud of Turin.
I love it. Oh my god.
I love the instrument panel. So you got battery, fuel, oil pressure, and water temperature. Probably all still work. They're all mechanical. And it's got radio and clock. See, it's got a clock even.
You got the original,
Yeah,
like,
pinstripe on the wheels.
whoa, little Scotch Brite on those, maybe. I don't know.
Or not.
God, this thing's.
Well, if you want to spend your weekends polishing this up, you'd be free. You are free to do so. But I know you're not going to. So don't expect me to.
Actually.
You say that about everything.
Yeah, this is great. Eh? So can you show me the engine?
Yep.
Or there? Oh yeah, there's a mill. Oh.
That's your Pontiac 6-banger, and it turns over because I popped the clutch while Tom was towing me up the driveway,
Oh wow.
and it went. So good. Everything is there. Something seems weird about the transmission shifter, so it might only have first and second or first and reverse, but I don't care. Whatever, as long as it moves around the yard. And what else do we know about that?
Get out.
Frankers is digging it inside,
Yes.
digging up the seats.
Look at the heater box.
That's got a pretty big old flathead in it.
nice
I'll have to look
radiator.
up the size of that baby.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
So a cool old canoe. What was the GM one?
Rochester.
Rochester. It's got a Rochester on it. Yeah. So fun.
Awesome. Yeah. No.
Yeah,
Great.
everything's there. Starter's there. Jenny's there.
Brad's
It
there.
looks like if we had the keys and threw a battery
Water
in
pump.
it, well,
Yeah.
we'll clean the carb up, and I bet it'll start right up.
Oh man, cool. This is awesome.
Yeah, it's not in bad shape.
Wow.
So, don't
We got
forget
a-
to hit the like button if you
Oh.
like crummy old Pontiac.
See, we got a little Jiffy jet ski, but that's a Mopar thing. So that would be what a AC Delaco type.
Holy
I
cow.
don't know.
It's got Saskatchewan bug screen.
Oh, it does too.
First thing.
First thing you look for in your purchase, hey?
Yeah.
Is that what you said to the guy? As long as it's
Yeah,
got
as long as it's got the bug screen. And
cool.
yeah, even the heater stuff, all
that's
still
nice,
intact. And the hoses are like ceramic. Holy shit.
Yeah, they don't
They're
touch it.
rock hard, man.
Yeah, springs dangling. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so anyway,
Cool.
really tough old girl.
Really
We'll,
not bad.
Just wanted to get some pictures of it in the lovely sunset.
Yeah, here, I'll shut the hood for you real slow.
Okay.
Am I okay?
Tell me.
Yeah, I don't know.
What? Hey guys, thanks for checking out the sweet old 1952 Pontiac. Please leave us a note or hit the old like button if you like this kind of thing, and maybe we'll try and get it running here. And we'll see everybody on Saturday. Right, Frankers?